Welcome! In front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the sound volume on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it. In settings, find the option called sound and vibration, select it, and here scroll down. Before we do anything, we need to disable the silent mode, so I'm gonna tap on the switch to disable it, and now we can scroll down and we can adjust the sound volume by tapping on the plus or minus buttons or by swiping on the sliders. And we have sound volumes for ring and alarm. It's a bit wonky, but you can basically tap on the buttons or swipe on the slider. But if you try to swipe on the slider, sometimes it just goes back to the previous screen. Okay, and once you're done adjusting the volumes for your sound, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, and that's how you adjust the sound volume on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.